Here is the Schwa review game. I say one word, and you tell me, is it number one or number two? Here's the game. Okay. The first, again, I'm repeating now, but the first word is lemon. Lemon is number one. Yeah, lemon. It's lemon. It's lemon. The word is kitchen. Kitchen is number two. Yes, it's number two. Kitchen. The other word is chicken. Kitchen. Similar. Okay, let's continue. You got it right. The word is sofa. Number one is sofa. Yeah, sofa. Number one, it's sofa. Okay. Daughter. Yeah, it's daughter. Number two, daughter. The next word is camera. Yeah, it's camera, number one, camera. Here's the next one. It's police. Number one, yeah, it's police. Listen to how you say that word. Listen to that word. Police. Okay, here we go. The next one is, I'm going to say one word. You tell me the word. The word is bottom. Bottom is number two. Do you hear the difference? Yeah, bottom. This word is button, but this word is bottom. Bottom. Yeah, bottom. This word is, are you ready? This word is pepper. Yep, it's number two, pepper. I'm going to tell you this word. Yeah, that exactly. You said it exactly. This word is paper. Paper. This word is pepper. It's very close, but you did well. You did very well. Okay, here we go. This word is cotton. Cotton? Yeah. Number one, cotton. The other word is kitten. This is cotton. Okay, I'm going to say one of these words. You tell me. The word is fountain. Yeah, number two. It's number two. It's fountain. This is a fountain. This is a fountain with the pretty water, the fountain. It's a fountain. This is mountain. Yeah, mountain. Okay. I'm going to say, I got a new one. That's nice. Okay, here's the word. The word is oven. Yes, it's number one, oven. That's an oven. Yeah, that's an oven. The other word is dozen. Yeah, this number two is dozen. And dozen, the meaning of dozen. Dozen is 12. 12. 12. A dozen eggs. A dozen eggs means 12 eggs. 12. 12 is 10 and 2. 12 is a dozen. Yeah, but we're talking about oven. Here's the next one. The next one is parrot. Yeah, parrot. Parrot is number two. Parrot. Number one is carrot. carrot. Yeah, carrot. Different. But it has the same sound on the end, the ut, 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 ut. This one's carrot. This one's parrot. The only difference is this has a P. This number one has a C. Carrot. Number two is parrot. Parrot. All right. The word is lesson. Lesson. Lesson is number two. Lesson is number two. Yeah, lesson. Yeah, and the first one is very good. The first one is person. Person. You said it. Person. Very good. Excellent job. Person. And this one is lesson. So look, it has the sound, the sound on the end. Person. Letter. Letter. It's really no. Letter. 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 Yeah, it's number one. Letter. Here's the only difference. Look at this. This word, I'm gonna mark on this one so you can see it. This word is letter. It's got the sound, letter. Yes, thank you. This word has the ladder. Ladder. So it's very, very almost the same. Letter, letter, ladder, ladder. Wow. It's very difficult. Letter and ladder. Send me a letter. Send a letter. A letter is, a letter. Send me a letter. Don't send me a ladder. Don't send me an escalera. Do not send me a ladder. Send me a letter. A letter. Okay, a letter. Yeah, you send a letter. Here's the word. The word is Mr. 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 is number two. Yeah, Mr. Mr. Number two. Mr. The other word is, of course, sister. 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 Yeah. And this is a great one. The word is broken. Yeah, broken. 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 This is a broken heart. Yeah, when you really say your heart breaks, right? A broken heart. Broken. This word is spoken. It's like speak. Yeah, spoken, like speak. Here's the bonus round. Bonus. This is called fast English. Fast English. This is, you can see this. Here's an expression is, the expression is, I'm going to go. Yeah, bye, I'm going to go. I'm going to go. But people always say, they never say I'm going to, they say I'm gonna. I'm gonna go. So going to is future, yeah? Gonna, people say gonna. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna go to the laundromat. Here's the other one. This word is I have to eat, means it's necessary to eat. And in fact, people say, I gotta eat. I gotta eat. I gotta eat. So, yeah. Here's another one people say in fast English. Do you wanna come? Do you want to come to my party? Do you want, quiere? Yeah, venir a mi fiesta. Do you want to come to my party? They say, do you wanna? Do you wanna? Do you wanna come to my party? And this is another one people say, let me know. It means tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. So you say, well, let me know. Let me know. And instead you say, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Okay. Yay! You are the Schwa champions. Yay!